Yo! What's going on, guys? Open Road back with another video, and have I got something to show you guys. So we went into the thing, right? You guys saw our camper. It's a nice camper, Winnebago. It was awesome. So let me show you what we've been doing. How's that? Huh? Outback. There's Tiffany. So we went and bought, we traded our camping world. Finally said, you know what, we got enough of your Winnie. Let's trade you into something this. Outback Ultralight. So let's
You're gonna start in here, not outside?
oh, I'm gonna start in here, yeah.
Okay.
Because there's bugs out there and they're getting me. So let's start right here. We do have this bunk right here, right? And this does fit 2 people. Top bunk's probably a max weight of maybe 300 pounds, so maybe only 1 of me, 2 of this guy, maybe him and his old lady. And then this one down here, also that's more weight. Then you come down here, got storage that goes outside. Come in here to the bathroom. You got your sink. This opens up to stuff.
Still working on that.
Yeah, still working on it. We're just now able to get it in the back. Oh, the lights. So it's got a full shower. Here, I'll show you. Here, Tef, take this. So, no, bad camera girl, sideways. So I'm almost 6 foot. So it's pretty roomy. Not really. I'll probably still be using the camp showers.
Toilet.
Yeah, and this toilet actually, let me take this. This toilet's actually different. This flushes from the back, which I think is very odd. Let me get my slips back on. And you come over here, you got your entertainment center. The radio here works inside and out. TV, I'm pretty sure that's a Roku TV. No, it's not. It's a ProScan.
ProScan RV TV.
RV TV. I'll just have to hook up a Roku unit. You got storage up here. Small storage, not, you know.
Oh, this looks like it's on an arm.
It is on an arm. It swivels. So they can, I should pull out so they can watch it a little bit. I don't think. Yeah, see?
Oh, yeah, so people in the bed want to watch it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So, you got pantries. Those are nice. All kinds of space. Refrigerator, I don't know how to open.
You gotta press the buttons.
Oh. So, gas grill, microwave, corner sink, more cabinets.
What you didn't know with the cover for the sink is actually a cutting board.
Yeah, and this is a cutting board, you guys. I didn't know that. Camping World hoaxed me on that.
I wonder what this hole is.
There's a mystery hole Tiffany just found. We don't know what that hole is. So guys, if you're watching this and you know what this hole is, leave it in the comments below, because I don't know what that hole is.
What's supposed to be there?
You got all your drawers. Let's turn around. Ouch. So this here, your typical booth. It does drop down to a bed. I'm not gonna get involved and do all that.
Here it opens up for storage.
She's trying to open it up for storage.
Here.
Yeah, so it does open up, so you get this little shoe storage, I guess, for games. You know, and window space. Then you have more cabinet space. You got this here couch, which drops right down into the futon. So, you know, so that sleeps probably about 1 to 2 people. That sleeps about 2 people. That sleeps about 2 people. So this sleeps about 2, maybe 3.5 midgets. small people. And then we go in here. Oh yeah, this is where the magic happens. Woo! You have yourself a full queen size bed in here. And believe it or not, this cupboard space, look at this.
Unlatch it.
I am unlatching it. There we go. You have all of this cupboard space in here. Like,
plus the cubbies and the dresser.
Cubbies. Over here, I mean, full on storage. And then it has a 2 drawer dresser, which I guess your TV would go here, because your cable goes up here and whatnot. And then if you want to go outside, I don't know how to do that. So we're going to come outside now. So that's the inside. So I'm going to show you guys the outside now. Alright, so I'm out here. We got the power awning, which is really cool.
Look, it has LED lights.
I got LED lights. Those are speakers up there. It looks like... Turn those back on?
What, the LED light?
Yeah. Looks like the LED light does not work in this one.
Okay.
So we'll have to get that looked at. I mean, there's some imperfections, but...
Just a couple light bulbs, it's okay.
What year is this?
A 2017.
And we had a what?
A 2001.
2017. So, but they gave us a pretty decent deal on it, I think. This here is awesome.
Yeah, that's my favorite part.
It is. Did we unlock this?
I did unlock it, I had it open.
All right. So this here, look at this.
Whatever.
How about this, you guys? This sets up into, because you got to lock it in the back. It sets up to your full kitchen. So maybe you get yourself a log cabin griddle, flat top, and you can just put it over top so you can control your heat. So it'd just be like cooking on the black top, flat top. And then over here you got a sink. It's just a kind of like a rinse sink. So you got your water flowing here. And then you have your own refrigerator for beer and condiments and beer. Extra side cutting board if you want it, more space,
well, I think
shelving.
that little shelf up there is for you to keep like your little griddle and some pots and pans. And
Yeah,
stuff.
you could probably do that too. So this is like my favorite part of the whole thing because I got the whole outside cooking. A lot of people are like, man, where's that TV? We gotta watch the NASCAR game. Like, I don't watch NASCAR, I cook. So that's super cool. So I'm gonna go around. We have another storage space, which goes back in.
This is the one that goes under the bed.
Oh, okay. Outback Ultralight. Got the slides out. Tiff said I need to change some light bulbs. Right here, you got this tube. This piece comes off, and that's where your poo pipe goes. Ooh, poo pipes. So this is the first time we've ever owned anything as far as pulling. So, I mean, overall, I mean, this thing is really cool. Got more storage over here. Is this open, babe?
Yeah.
Alright. So this stretches all the way to the back end. And believe it or not, you can fit a lot of stuff in here. Maybe that's where this guy here, Cameron, when he gets out of line, when we go camping, my daughter puts him in a doghouse. That's where he's sleeping. So moving on, you got your battery for your lights and everything when you're off. Got your hookups, and yeah, there's a small little cubby over there that I can't get to, but the shelf is amazing.
Propane.
You got your
Electric
propane,
jack.
electric jack. I mean, this thing is awesome. So yeah.
Yes.
Your dad said whenever I get out of line.
So there it is, and this is going to be our new camper, and we're super excited to go camping and use it for the first time. It sucks backing it up because I have no idea what I'm doing, and she has no idea what she's doing. And it makes things interesting because, you know, it makes us starting from scratch. So officially, guys, we are new campers because we are using a pull behind instead of so. But that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and watch the next video that we put out because I'm going to show you guys what we bought to pull this big old thing, and you'll get to meet that guy here in the next video. So until next time, say bye, Tiffany.
Bye, Tiffany.
Later, guys.